I want to see where I park the dumpy them I pass in here.
One dumpy in here, sir.
Yeah.
One.
Owen!
What? Oh, I'm not in two feet in here, sir. No. I bomb up that me come Fling sitting after me and police. So I swear, say I'm the police them come for.
So she left, she divorced you?
I don't give a fuck. Divorce me did married. I not even know. Without clear, when the paper there. I may have a birthday for the church. So if I don't marry, yeah. We have to see it back to the road. Yeah, we move, guys. I never moved the first time the one of that panel. One of that. He stand up at the gate and the BMW they cross the road and I never buy a vehicle, you know. So she
leave the BMW?
No. You're mad. Are you mad? You're sick.
But look how that girl tear up tonight.
Me? You run me start run to blood clot, hey.
So she leave the BMW?
No. June, if that did go on the run me start run would I end up at town.
But that kill her tonight.
I done business.
No, because me can't live from one problem to next. Come here, Owen. No, you can't see me part look a piece of carrot the way you want. But I come from the blood clot shop because AC never work. I'm going to get the AC fixed today.
If I come out here and tonight, I can't really go sleep out.
Come here, she can't put you out. Pass the alcohol I give me.
I put out myself. Response? All the baby father come show up him hand in my face since night.
You're spitting at Jake's face.
When I see him, you know. Because him is not my... No, him is not my topic now the night, yeah. What is? Him is
you have money?
Mouse. I mean, no want for them money.
You have money?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No?
You broke?
Like dog.
But I got drink blood clot. This thing coming on a nice in here. Alright.